simplysimplestamping.com. I'm so glad you could join me for today's 2-Minute Tuesday tip. Hey, I know this has happened to everybody. Surely I'm not the only one who has mounted cardstock crooked on a card. Well, I'm going to give you a tip on how to use our palette knives to straighten that up. I'm going to take the pointier palette knife and let me show you what to do. You're just going to slide your palette knife underneath your cardstock, keeping it flat, work your way around the card. And when you get to the end, voila, you can see it is now off my card. I may have to add a little more snail, so we can just reapply that. Now I have one more shot at adding my cardstock straight this time. And guys, you're not going to believe this. I mounted it upside down. You know, I really can't believe I did that. Let's go ahead with that palette knife one more time. Connie's gonna try to put the cardstock on correctly this time. And now if you get a little adhesive on your palette knife, you guys know I love to use alcohol swabs in my stamp room. I can just clean off any adhesive that got onto that palette knife. And guys, I'm ready to use it with my embossing paste or to rescue another card. Hey, I sure do appreciate you being here today. Have a fabulous day, my friends, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.